Today is a big day. We are going to the airport.
Please check your bags. Do not forget anything.
I am so excited. This is our first trip.
I have the tickets. Everything is ready now.
I feel a little nervous. What if we are late?
Don't worry. We have enough time.
Let's go now.
The taxi is waiting outside.
The road is busy. There are many cars.
Look outside. The city looks so beautiful.
Oh no. The traffic is very slow.
Now I feel worried. We may be late.
It's okay, Dad. We will make it.
Finally, we reached the airport.
Wow, this airport is so big.
Show your tickets.
Let's go inside.
Please stand here. This is the security check.
What is this machine? I am confused.
It is okay. This is normal at the airport. Let's go to our gate. The flight is soon.
Now we can relax. We are on time.
I feel so happy now. This is exciting. Look! That is our airplane.
Our journey is starting now. We are together. This makes everything special.
Travel brings happiness. Enjoy every moment.